and welcome to the installation video for the Wireworks Wallmount 12U swing-out rack. This wall-mounted rack provides 12 rack units that support a standard 19-inch panel or active equipment. The swing-out rack is quick and easy to assemble and only requires 8 screws, highlighted here. Please note that wall anchoring accessories are not included with this product. We recommend having a leveler and proper drilling tools for mounting and anchoring this product to the wall. Let's start the installation. The front frame has a total of 4 pre-drilled holes, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Now go ahead and insert the nylon bushing in each hole, as shown in this example. Next, place one of the base panels on a flat surface in its correct orientation, shown here. Proceed to assemble a side panel onto the side of the base by aligning it to the 4 screw holes, shown here. Then go ahead and fasten it with the screws that are included in the hardware kit. Great. Once your side panel is fastened, it's time to install the door rotation stopper in its correct orientation using the remaining screw hole. Follow the same procedure to fasten the opposite side panel. Next, secure the remaining base to the side panels. Now follow the same fastening procedures as shown in the previous steps, utilizing the pre-drilled holes. Now your rack should look like this, with all the 4 door stoppers installed in the correct orientation. Install the front frame onto the rack by aligning the top and bottom bushing holes. Fasten the front frame to the rack by using the included 5/16 screw and locker washers. Verify that the screw passes into the nylon bushing. Great, now you're ready to mount your rack onto the wall. Now using a leveler, draw a horizontal line at the height of where you want to install the top 2 screws of your rack. Mark an X for your first screw hole and measure 17 3/8 of an inch. And mark the second X for the second screw. Follow the measurements highlighted in this example to make the remaining anchoring markings on the wall. With the top 2 screws partially screwed in, mount the rack onto the screws as shown here. Now go ahead and fasten all the remaining screws, including the top 2, while always ensuring that your rack is leveled correctly. Now, to benefit from the swing-out feature for easy access to back panels of all installed devices and cabling, you can simply loosen the screws of your side of choice, as shown here. When mounting a patch panel with an integrated strain relief on its chassis, verify that the attachment is placed on the side closest to the hinge, allowing the panel frame to swivel when opening. In its open position, shown here, route your cables as desired, and only then use the integrated cable grip strain relief system in both the panel and rack, and fasten your cable. The swing-out mounting frame feature allows the frame to pivot out either the left or right, providing technician-friendly, easy access to back panels of installed devices and cabling. Sold separately, the open spool can be mounted onto the holes at the bottom and top of the base, using its included screws and washers. Both the top and bottom of the frame have pre-cut out entry points on either side, giving you that flexibility of choice. The integrated waterfall bracket shown here supports an adequate bend radius management at each cable entry point. The robust design, quality materials, and precision manufacturing ensures exceptional durability and reliability over an extended operational lifespan, thus making this a great addition to many different solutions found in pop sites, base stations, and entrance rooms with fiber and copper networks, just to name a few. That's it. You're done. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us on social media or visit our website at www.wireworks.com.